We pick it up. Recycling is very important. Have you seen the garbage? Everything must be perfect. Yay. I like garbage. I like garbage.
What a neat little level.
Yes.
The spikes are on point.
Laugh out loud.
Don't you dare die. Q.
Upgrade bot is very happy right now.
We're watching you.
Victory!
Look at the tough little Q.
It's easy to look up in bronze. Spear bots, attack. Run in a pack. Jump up from the back.
Wow.
What if we had to upgrade bots? They could upgrade each other.
That is dangerous talk. Analysis bot. It may sound tempting, but the rules are there for a reason.
มันมาแล้ว
Victory!
One level down, and then press around to go.
Prediction, the amount will not be endless.
The Mark II hammer bot is so cool.
There are also some other robots.
The coolest.
Magnificent work, Upgrade Bot. Your service does not go unnoticed. Silver.
Time for things to get interesting.
Victory!
I want to see jetpack bots.
Maybe if the human gets to the gold tier. And now, archers.
This level is so dramatic.
I like it.
Upgrade bot. Upgrade bot. The best bot is upgrade bot.
เริ่มใหม่ไหม
Defeat.
เริ่มใหม่หมดเลย
Boom.
You say boom when the human wins too.
It is a versatile expression.
Felicia Cardenas!
Upgrade bot is the real hero in these challenges.
Absolutely.
That is why we are putting all the trophies next to it.
Hooray.
Bronze.
Bronze is such a weird metal.
Yes.
พอเดินไปด้านซ้ายจะแถวไม่ดู
human didn't die.
We're only in the bronze tier.
แล้วต้องรอไป
Let's warm up with some spear bots.
There is also lava.
What an exciting temperature change.
Yeah, hey, go upgrade bot.
ค่อยดูได้ค่อยดูได้แขนข้างหนึ่งแล้วโดนอีกข้างหนึ่งดำได้
Catherine! Gardner!
Will the human reach level 20?
Yes, upgrade bot is good at choosing upgrades.
I agree. This should be easy.
Bronze.
It would be embarrassing if the human died on this level.
Defeat.
ครับเนี่ย
Unexpected.
Rosalie! Rogers!
อายุ79 ปี
Will the human reach level 20?
Yes, upgrade bot is good at choosing upgrades.
I agree. This should be easy.
Bronze.
How many levels are in the bronze tier?
Bronze and silver both have 3 levels.
Exciting.
Victory!
The human made that look easy.
The bronze tier is not that hard.
What are these robots doing on the pillars?
Get down from there.
Bad robots.
พาลุง79อันนี้เลยแจ็คแพ็คแจ็คแพ็ค
Oh dear.
Yes, I'm not sure about that one.
เรื่องน้อยกว่าถ้าป้อมกับคุณป้อมกับคุณการปันปากมาดูแบบปันขึ้นปาก
Victory!
Promising.
แล้วพอปันซ้ายไปกันปันซ้ายไปที่
And now, time for the tunnel.
Of death.
On fire.
Clone created.
An excellent choice.
Yes.
Victory!
Look at the tough little human.
It's easy to look up in bronze.
Here they come. In your face, human.
Hammer plus face equals death.
ได้
I wish upgrade bot would upgrade me.
Maybe once all the humans have died.
Yeah.
Silver.
Silver.
I said that already.
I want to say it.
fated. Victory!
The further the human gets, the more spectacular its death.
Yes, let's keep watching. How will the human die?
Hammers, arrows, lava.
Let's see.
การทะลุดาบเราได้
Interesting.
There is a strategy at work here.
สามารถตัด
โอ้
ก็ลืมเปิดสต็อป
Defeat.
The human died.
They all die.